super late. It's not what you love to see. Super duper late. It's very bright today, isn't it? Oh, I think I've done this incorrectly. I have not done this smooth as can be. We just gotta back it on up. Back it on up. There we go. Let's do it. Let's do the today thing. Oh man, I'm really late today. I swear to fuck, I'm late every day. And guess what happens every day? I'm on time. Is that because I'm too good? Yes, it is. It is because I'm too good, sir. It's because I'm way too good. So you see, at the rate that I'm uploading currently, when I actually put out a video, my life has progressed about a month since putting it out. If I stay at this same rate, my life has progressed about a month, give or take. You could do, what the fuck? There's so many cars over there. What's going on? A little party or something. Anyway, back on track. I'm so sorry. Yeah, the videos, they're about a month behind reality, if I had to give an estimation to be exact. So the last video I put out, I'm still happy, I guess. So yeah, a lot has changed. Yeah, no, I'm just kidding. I'm still happy. I'm still feeling happiness, you know, as per the usual. And slow down. Beautiful downshifts. Oh, there's a car. It's disappointing. We'll go around him easily and peasily. So I'm gonna go over kind of what's been fucking happening, because it's been actually in real life time, not fake time, I guess. A lot has been happening. I've went on the holiday, number one! Went on a holiday to Menorca. Menorca was very nice, and I had a good time. I was there for a week, alright? And basically, I've been off work for the last 2 weeks, not including this week. The 2 weeks before that, I went off work. And my mission in those 2 weeks off of work was to find a new job. And I thought I was going to find a new job, basically. And I was like, all right, I'm going to take these weeks off, and then when I come back, well, I wouldn't come back. That was basically the dealio. Look at all these nice fields. It's lovely. Oh, that guy's right up close to me. I guess I'm late. I don't really know, to be honest with you. I guess I'm late for work. But it is a bit of a mystery whether or not I am, because I usually end up getting there on time, but right now I think I'm going to be late. I think. We'll find out, I guess. Yeah, I don't want to be behind that man anymore. It was the Range Rover back there, man. He was the guy that was pissing me off. I don't want to be in front of him. I don't want him to be behind me. Anyway, the jobs. Oh, I'm getting off track. I'm so sorry. The jobs. I've been searching and scouring the web for some sweet, lovely jobs, and I found some. And you know what? I was rejected from all of them. So I'm back at the same place that I'm working. And I found out I'm going to have to pay back the holidays as well if I leave. If I leave now, I'm going to have to pay back the holiday I took. Oh shit. That's a lot of time off. So I don't know if I can. I don't know if I'm gonna leave for a little bit, to be honest with you. But you know what I've decided? You know what I've decided? I've decided that I want to do project management. That's what I want to do. And I've been looking around, looking at some courses and shit like that. And I found a pretty nice course. See the Range Rover? Fuck you, bro. Fuck you, little hoe. Didn't like him. Don't like him. Never will. Still can't see him. He's in my mirror. I'm keeping an eye on him, man. But this, I've decided I found a really cool project management course, and it'll take, my guess is about 60 hours to complete. And at the end of it, you'll have three different accreditations, basically. And this will allow you to get a job in project management, and they will also find you a job in project management. Once you finish the course, they will look for a job for you and find you one. Pretty legit. I really want to do that. I think it'll be pretty cool. I think it'll be pretty fun. So What the actual fuck is everyone going so slowly for? I got to get to work. Oh, Dodge Ram! Yeah! Don't see many of those around here. Ford Rangers and shit like that around here. Not no Dodge. Not no Dodge, that's for sure. You know, I think I'm gonna pursue that lovely career of project management, but you know, I need to do the course, and I wanted to get a job that is slightly less hours, like 20-30 a week. I work 40 hours a week. I want to do one that's 20-30, so I have some time for, you know, getting educated and shit, man. Doing the course, studying. It's been a fucking while since I've done that. Like a year. That's not that long, but still, it's been a while, it feels, since I've done some studying. So I want some time not working so I can study. But if I get a job that is less hours, it's going to be less pay. Believe it or not, that is how that works. It's going to be less pay, plus I'm going to have to pay back the holiday days I've taken off. So I reckon I have to pay back at least 2 weeks of holiday. What the fuck? This man is going under 20 miles an hour around the roundabout. What the fuck, mate? I don't enjoy people. Everything. Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? Yes, sir. Hi. Hi. Oh, so many. Hi. They're everywhere. What's up? That's sick, man. Love to see it. Motorbikes. Back on the motorway. Heading to work. I'm feeling good about today though, just because I feel good. I don't actually, you know, I've been complaining about my job a lot. It's fine, you know. It's fine. It's not really that bad. Like, it's really not great. But at the same time, I can deal with it. In the interest of money, I can deal with it. Look at all this water. Let's fucking swim. Let's go swimming. Imagine how lovely that will be in this amazing water. Such nice and clear and warm. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I'm just gonna grind, man. I'm just gonna do the course alongside this job. Oh my god, that was amazing. When I went past the truck, the wind literally evaporated. It disappeared completely. It was amazing. Do you think this looks like a good beach for surfing? A good surfing beach? Yeah, it looks really cool and really wavy. So of course it's going to be an extra expense, but all I have to do is get bonus every month, which is an extra £650 every month. Pretty solid. The thing is, I have never gotten it before because they keep fucking stealing it from me. Bunch of cunts. I would have got it last month, which is September, by the way, because all the time it's probably fucking December by the time I upload this shit, man. But it's been taken away. I would have got it last month if I didn't go on holiday, but I went on holiday, so they just didn't give it to me. Bunch of cunts. The depression I feel is not very high, and it's all just hyperbolic, me. I don't actually care that much. My life's pretty reasonable. That's a lie. Yesterday we had free pizza, which is pretty legit. Free pizza, free sweets. I still have a bunch of sweets left, which I am going to be eating today while I talk to all the lovely members on the phone. Someone said they were gonna fucking sue me. They said they were gonna sue me, dude. They said, oh, my daughter's a solicitor. I'm gonna sue you for fraud. I'm like, oh mate, I'm not gonna get into the reasoning behind it, but let's just say bro's retarded. Oh my god, he would get laughed out the fucking courtroom if he tried to sue me, mate. I'm a child. Like, come on, bro, what are you doing? Nice watch, dude. I think it might just be a smartwatch. I was looking at buying watches. I've been looking around. You know, this would be a great time if I had more than like fucking, you know, 90 subscribers. Then maybe I would have a sponsor, and this could be a fucking segue into a watch sponsor, but I don't have one. I've just been looking at buying watches, man. But I've been trying to get a watch that fits with the style I'm going for, because I have a couple of different styles now, and so I need a couple of different watches. I'm not trying to be like an expensive watch collector. I just want ones that look cool. I don't really like the way that Rolexes look, to be honest. I don't think they look, I mean, they're okay, but they're more of just like a fashion statement rather than actually fashionable, in my opinion. To be honest, I don't really like the way they look. But so I want to get like a wooden one, not like actually completely wooden, just like wooden accents and shit. I think it would be pretty cool. And I want to get one that's emerald green because it's a sick color, dude. It's a sick color. So I gotta get a couple though. I want to get more of like a kind of classy, kind of fucking smart looking watch. Not an actual smart watch, just a smart looking watch. Okay, in terms of smart fashion instead of smart brain. And then I want to get another one that looks a bit more kind of rugged and still looks classy, still looks smart, but it's a bit more on the rugged side, you know, more wooden, more wood, man. All right, let's merge. It's such a nice day today. You can't help but feel happy. It's amazing. And now I do have kind of a long shift today. It's 10:30 till 7, but to be fair, it'll be fine. And you know, I feel like my fuel's been holding up pretty well. I mean, this is Thursday. I guess we're not even at the end of the week yet, to be fair. Ignore me. I'm just trying to be hopeful about something. What? I saw that guy flash his lights at me. What? Anyway, I gotta leave now because I gotta head into worky work. So I do love you very, very much. I don't know if this will be one video, whether the way back will be in a video as well. I guess we'll find out, but I do love you. You know that. Kisses and hugs and shit like that. Have a good day. Bye bye.